Welcome. My name is Vinayak Mistry and roll number is 25U. Our project is the blood bank management system. In this blood bank management system, we are taking these points: introduction, system analysis modeling, design model, UI design, implementation, system analysis. It is the blood bank management. It is the project that come in two forms, such as the browser based and desktop based project that is used for to simplify our work in the lab. That project is designed to store and process the retrieve and analysis the work of the information. It is concerned with administrative and inventory. The main purpose of the project is to perform each activity in the digitalized and computerized form way rather than manually, which in this time consuming. That's why this project is to be developed. The entire activity is to automate the process of the day of activity of blood bank, like handling the stocks of blood and stock of blood very safely. So now about the feasibility study of the blood bank management. The feasibility study of the system is very important stage. That feasibility study decide the system is properly developed or not. It is very important stage during system design. Feasibility study is a test of system proposal according to its workability, impact on organization, ability to meet user need, and effective use of resource. Feasibility studies decide whether the system is properly developed or not. That is, objective feasibility studies determine whether or not. There are lots of type of feasibility studies, such as for economical feasibility study, operational feasibility study, and schedule feasibility. In the technical feasibility, to test whether system can be developed using the existing technology or not. For checking that need to technical feasibility, we use the PHP language for develop the software project. It is evident that necessary of software are available for development and implementation of proposed system. So the configuration want any kind of the Pentium processor and near about a 64 MB RAM, and need of a keyboard, one mouse, and minimum 4 GB of hard disk. In the problem definition, a hospital has its own system. A hospital has its own system and limitation. For the hospital, the coordination between the blood bank and particularly impossible because of a low number of donor and more number of blood banks. The efficiency and the quality of a blood bank are low, resulting in wastage of blood bank and blood components such as the RBC and platelets. These are the types of the blood. Next about the ER diagram. First of all, the in the ER diagram, there are the six entities, such as receptionist, donor, blood, hospital, blood bank manager, and also blood bank. Receptionist, first of all, it's have attributes: employment ID, it's his name, address, and the phone number of the employments. Receptionist register the donors. Receptionist register the donors by getting the his name, address, age, date of birth, and especially weight. And that donors are donates the blood. That donors are donates the blood, and blood have also a types, such as the cost of that code for understanding blood type, such as platelets and RBCs and WBCs of that. uh, After of that, the another entity of hospital can be contact to the blood bank and received from the uh, blood from blood bank, they can order to the blood bank. So hospital have attributes of the name of the blood bank, their address and their phone number for contact. And another entity of blood bank manager, they can handle all over the blood bank. The next point is database design, their name, address, blood group. This is the this is the first uh, this is the first screenshot of the project. First of all, there should be a to insert the name to donors can fill the all information about him in that form. Like full name, his gender, date of birth, weight, and his contact, and especially uh, blood type. And that submitted data should be in that form saved in the next screenshot. And in this project we can also manage the camp, such as any kind of occasion are there, so camps are in process. So the campaign name and who organized that camp, so what is the date of the camp, and where is location of camp, and a short description about the camp. And by submitting these, camp can be created, and that camp are shows in that screen. uh, for there are lots of things to perform in that, such as edit, delete. We can edit the camp name by operation on that edit, and such as delete. Implementation. Testing is the process of executing a system. It is intent of finding an error. Testing is defined as the process of which defects are identified isolated subject for rectification and ensure that the product is defect free in order to produce the quality. Hence, the customer can be satisfaction. There are types of testing such as black box testing and white box testing. In the black box testing, the software can be testing the structure, design, and total implementation that not known by the tester. In the black box testing, it is also called as the behavioral testing and functional testing. It involves only observation of the output for certain input value, and there is no attempt to analyze the code which produces the output. In this testing, it is clear that only output according to the input are verified in the black box testing, and the assumption made about the internal structure of the system. In the white box testing, it is the also known as the glass box testing or structural testing. Here the tester totally known about the structure and design and implementation of that. White box testing involves the complete knowledge of the internal structure of source code, can be used to find the number of test cases required to guarantee a given level of test coverage. In this kind of testing, it searches the given class method of particular choice of interest, and then describe how this choice to be tested. Thank you.